Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Sarita. First of all, I want to tell you that I am not an English teacher here. I am an English learner, and here I will be sharing with you my real life spoken English experiences, tips and tricks. Guys, these tips and tricks have helped me a lot in my spoken English, and trust me, if you will also follow these tips and tricks, your spoken English is also going to be good enough. So guys, today is my 6th day of 30 days spoken English challenge, and before starting today's video I would request you to watch this video till end. And if you like the video, please hit that like button because it motivates me to make more and more videos. Also, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video as much as you can. So guys, let's start today's video. Guys, as a beginner, when we start spoken English, we generally make a big mistake. And what is that big mistake? We start translating our native language into English. Like we start translating Hindi into English. So in today's video, we are going to cover that why we should not translate our native language, our Hindi, into English, and how can we start thinking in English. So guys, coming to the first point, that why we should not translate our native language into English. So here I am going to give you three reasons. These are three reasons that why we should not translate our native language into English. So guys, the first reason is translation is a time consuming process. Guys, think of a situation that you are sitting in a conference room or you are sitting in a gathering of 10 to 15 people and someone asks you something. What do you think? How much time you get to reply that person? 10 to 15 seconds only. And in that 10 to 15 seconds, you need to translate your Hindi into English. So guys, it's really going to create a great confusion and a mess. And it's really going to impact your image also. So this is the first reason that we should not translate our native language into English. And guys, here the second reason is English and Hindi are two different branches of a language tree. They may be generated from the same origin, but their processes are different. So how can we translate one language into another? It's not possible. And guys, the third reason is translation can be very funny. For example, I am hanging out with my friends. Here I am hanging out means that I am chilling out with my friends outside somewhere in a restaurant or in a shopping mall. But if I'll translate it into Hindi, I am hanging out. Hang मतलब लटकना, कि मैं अपने friends के साथ लटक रहा हूँ. So it can be very funny. So these are the three reasons that why we should not translate a native language into English. So guys, coming to the second part of video, that how can we start thinking in English. So here I'm going to share you three tips that how can we start thinking in English. So guys, first we should start speaking single words in English. For example, watch, ring, hair, nose. And then we should start making sentences like this is a watch, this is my nose, these are my long hairs. And then we should start our conversation. Guys, the second point is where are we going wrong. Guys, here I am giving an example. She does not like me. She don't like me. Which is the right sentence? She does not like me. But guys, in today's scenario, when people jump into a conversation, they actually forgot using these does, do. So guys, if there is any doubt in our mind that this sentence is wrong or this sentence is right, we should Google that and then we should correct ourselves. So guys, the third point is always analyze the situation. For example, someone asks you, what did you do yesterday? So here the person is asking about our yesterday schedule. So we should reply, I woke up early in the morning, I then had my breakfast, I went outside for shopping, I watched a movie, then I came back to home and I slept. So here, as this was my yesterday schedule, I used all past sentences like woke up, came, went, slept. So these are past sentences. So whenever you are in a conversation, you should analyze whether this is a past situation, this is a present situation, or this is a future situation, and accordingly you should make our sentences. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm also a beginner and I have taken this 30-day challenge to speak in English, and this is my 6th day. And guys, trust me, it's going to help me a lot. And if you are not able to find any conversation partner, you can also apply this trick of making videos and then posting on the YouTube. It's definitely going to help us and the others also. So guys, if you like the video, please hit that like button. Meet you tomorrow with the new video, with the new conversation, and till then, bye bye, take care, thank you so much.